All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Today, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash. Do you all know that since the summertime, Bitcoin Cash has actually went up over 50%? Yeah, we're going to dig into that. We're also going to talk about some indicators when Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin, when it goes up, how the other altcoins follow, and how Bitcoin Cash follows. Bitcoin Cash is way more user friendly. We're going to dig into that a little bit. We talked about how Bitcoin is more of a people get it and they hold it. Again, if you had a whole Bitcoin for 48 to 50,000, whatever it is, when you're actually where it's at, you're not going to buy your toothpaste and you're not going to buy your gasoline. You're not going to buy your $100 goods with a $50,000 coin. But Bitcoin Cash is $650. It's more user friendly. Transactions are a lot more faster. So we're going to cover all that on this show today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget you hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So with that, I always have this vision. I can't wait till every single person on the planet actually has cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Cash, this could be the one that for sure everybody has because it's so user friendly. Bitcoin and then Bitcoin Cash. So let's jump over to Bitcoin Cash and talk about it. All right, I'm over here at Cointelegraph, and the first thing I want to go over is what we were talking about and how when Bitcoin goes up, what else happens. 52K Bitcoin price triggered rally in large coin caps, Litecoin, Stellar, and Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin steadily climbs toward a new high, bringing about a universal breakout. Bitcoin Cash, and take a look at this picture right here. Isn't this kind of cute? So here you go. You got the Bitcoin jumping, and then there's Bitcoin Cash jumping. So again, we were kind of talking about this the other day with the Dogecoin and talking about the Shiba Inu, how they kind of go together. When you're not talking about the Doge, you're talking about the Shiba Inu. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash. They're always going to be together. Peanut butter and jelly. It's going to always happen. You go to the stadium, you get a hot dog and put mustard on it. Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, they're going to go together. So when this Bitcoin goes up, guess what's going to probably happen to the altcoins and Bitcoin Cash? So again, here's the picture. They're together, the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin Cash. So what does it say? Bitcoin has been uncontested cryptocurrency market leader since the creator launched the digital asset in 2009. And to date, it continues to be the dominant force in the industry. The truth was put on display on September 6th when the price of Bitcoin rose to $52,000 level and it ignited a market-wide rally, lifting the price of small and large cap altcoins. When Bitcoin rallies, most of the legacy of the coins, the Litecoins, the Bitcoin Cash, XRP, they all tend to move in the same direction. Now the Bitcoin looks ready to test new heights. Let's take a look at how. All right here, Bitcoin Cash is probably the most successful hard fork of the Bitcoin protocol that emerged out of the 2017 and 2018 bull cycle, and some would say it maintains a decent flowing to this day. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradeView shows that Bitcoin Cash response to BTC recovery was muted comparison to the Litecoin, but the small merged to increase from a low $617 to a high of $806 on September 6th, a 30% increase for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so a recent price action BCH resulted in formations of bullish cup and handle patterns are shown in tweet for the Twitter analyst Alex Clay. Monday's price movement suggests that the price could break out. All right, over here at CoinMarket, I got Bitcoin Cash pulled up, and I want to go over a couple things with everybody. So Bitcoin Cash is trading at $650 right now. It's actually up about almost 2% in the last 24 hours. So as we go down here, and we got our charts and stuff, and this is important, but what I wanted to do is kind of go over this. The live Bitcoin Cash price is $650 with the 24-hour trading volume. Right now it's ranked at number 17 cryptocurrency in the world in circulation. What is Bitcoin Cash? This is the part I wanted to go over. So Bitcoin Cash is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that aims to become the sound global money with the fast payment, micro fees, privacy, highest transaction capacity, big blocks. In some ways, the physical money, such as a dollar bill, is handled directly to a person being paid. Bitcoin Cash payments are sent directly from one person to another. The decentralized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin Cash, requires no trusted third parties and no central banks. Unlike traditional fiat money, Bitcoin Cash does not depend on a monetary middleman such as banks and payment processors. Transactions cannot be censored by governments or corporations. Similar funds cannot be seized or frozen because financial third parties have no control over Bitcoin Cash. Have no control over Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, Bitcoin Cash, we talked about it before. I mean, the transactions are way, way faster, doing like 25,000 transactions a second, opposed to the Bitcoin doing like 7 per second. It's more user-friendly. People are going to use the Bitcoin Cash way, way more. Coin's $650. If you're going to go out and spend $200, you don't have a problem spending $200 of your $650. But if you got a Bitcoin for 50-some thousand or 48 or whatever the price is at that time, to start paying all your little utilities and normal bills with it, it just doesn't seem practical. Plus, everybody likes to store the Bitcoin. It's more of a storage. I mean, it wasn't what it was intended for, but Bitcoin Cash, with the hard fork, now this is more of an easier token, more easier coin, Bitcoin Cash. Says, what is Bitcoin Cash used for? Bitcoin Cash combines. What is Bitcoin Cash used for? With a limited total supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin Cash is scarce and, like physical cash, can be easily spent. Transactions are fast. The transaction fees typically are less than 1/10 of a cent. Anybody can accept Bitcoin Cash payments with a smartphone or a computer. Bitcoin Cash has a various use of cases. In addition to peer-to-peer payment between individuals, Bitcoin Cash can be used to pay particular merchants for goods, services, in-store, online. Very low fees enable new microtransactions such as tipping, creating rewarding apps users a few cents. Bitcoin Cash also reduces the fees and settlement times for remittances, cross-border trades. Other cases uses tokens, smart contracts, and private payments, and tools such as Cash Shuffle and Cash Fusion. So Bitcoin Cash, definitely an awesome coin. Over here, I wanted to talk about shop.com. Now accepts Bitcoin payment after partnership with BitPay. This is also accepting Bitcoin Cash. Just a real quick thing, it's talking about accepting the Bitcoin and the Ether and the Dogecoin, and you got everybody in line, and this is what's going to happen. They're going to have this little plastic thing that you think is Visa and MasterCard. Yeah, they're going to have this little plastic thing in line that you're normally used to, the Visa and MasterCard. But the thing of it is you could put a Bitcoin logo on that, you could put a crypto, I mean, you could put any logo on there, but everybody's in line with their little card, and then there's the app, and you got the spend app, and you got all kinds of apps, and people are swiping, and right now it's so used to Visa MasterCard, but when we're swiping and it's Bitcoin Cash and a Bitcoin and it's AMP token and it's Ethereum, now all of a sudden it's still a swipe. Okay, so this is starting to happen. Like literally, people are standing in line. Let's look at this picture again. There they are waiting in line, and there's the merchant with their phone that they're going to either scan it or they're just going to tap it. And then the next person's going to come up, and they're going to be like, I'm going to pay with Bitcoin Cash. And then the next person's going to come up, and then he's going to pay with Bitcoin Cash. And the next person's going to come up, and then he's going to pay with Bitcoin Cash. And since we talk about the Flexa network all the time, and then if there's a double spend, then we learned on the channel that all of a sudden AMP's going to probably step in and collateralize it. All right, so let's keep talking about the company of which owned Market America announced partnership with crypto payment services provided BitPay, which will allow accept payments in several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. But look right here. The new partnerships enable shop.com users to select BitPay option during a checkout to pay via crypto wallet. And watch this. Currently, the users have the option to pay with, you know, for sure, the granddaddy of them all, Bitcoin. Yeah, what's the second one listed? What is it? What's this? Bitcoin Cash. So again, if you're an investor and you're looking for a coin, I don't know. I mean, Bitcoin Cash is definitely going to be a good bet because the bottom line is as Bitcoin goes up, we just read in the article that it seems like these other altcoins go up. All our information on the channel, of course, is for educational purposes only, but just reading the stuff, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. But that's right, there it is. Bitcoin Cash is the second thing listed. And Ethereum is listed third. But bottom line is shop.com now accepts Bitcoin payments after partnership with BitPay, and they're also accepting the second thing listed, Bitcoin Cash. So if Bitcoin Cash is being accepted more and being used more, let's pop over here to the top 10 real quick. So we're over here at the top 10, but we're actually not going to do the top 10 today. We're going to actually focus on 15 through 25. We're just going to talk about some names. You know, Litecoin's right here trading at $189. It's up about 5% in the last 7 days. There we are. Bitcoin Cash is at number 16, trading at $649. It's up in the last 24 hours. It's down in the last 7 days. Avalanche is right here at number 17. It's up, can you believe this? Up 62%. Holy coly. I mean, there we go. There could be the golden gem that somebody finds today on the show. They go and they pay attention and they start watching the Avalanche. Number 18, Argo is up 13%. Wrap Bitcoin, Internet Computer is at $60, up 5% in the last 24 hours. Matic or Polygon is at number 21. It's up 9% in the last 7 days. Filecoin is trading at $85, up 3% in the last 24 hours. Tron is at number 23. It's up 27% in the last 7 days. You know, may want to take a look at that. FTX token is trading at $70, down 9% in the last 7 days. And Stellar, XLM is up about 3%. Just sometimes I want to throw something a little bit different in there. We went from 15 through 25 with that. All right, so again, my vision is for every single person on the planet to have some cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency, you always hear about Dogecoin. You always hear about Litecoin. You always hear about Ethereum Classic. I mean, you hear about these new coins like AMCoin and Shiba Inu. But you know what? Bitcoin Cash, I mean, Bitcoin Cash ain't going nowhere. I mean, because Bitcoin's not going nowhere. So if Bitcoin's not going nowhere, Bitcoin Cash isn't going nowhere. So you could ride Bitcoin. All those investors that are doing those 401ks and they're putting different cryptocurrencies into the 401ks. I mean, Bitcoin Cash, not going anywhere. It's going to be more user-friendly. It's going to be one of those things on that card that you just saw those people online. They're going to be paying on the card, and they're going to say, which form of payment would you like to use? Bitcoin Cash. What form of payment? Well, Bitcoin Cash. So, again, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here so you see our most recent video. Again, thank you for tuning in. Every day, Monday through Friday, we do a video at 1 o'clock. So Saturdays and Sundays, we usually launch it till by 3 o'clock. Everybody go out there, have a great day today. Think positive. Let's make a difference. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Glad that you're on the channel because this is going to be an awesome information over the years to come. Have a great day, everybody.